friends, today we learn the next point is algebra of statement. See here some standard equivalent statement in a logic which can be proved by using truth table. In the 11th standard we learn already law. See here again we know that this law, identity law, idempotent law, complement law, commutative law, associative law and distributive law. We already know about this. In the 12th standard this topic. Now again see this law. First is idempotent law. This law is very important for exercise 1.4 because this exercise is based on only law and we solve examples. So understand and remember this law. First is idempotent law. First number P and P is equivalence P. Second number P or P is equivalence P. Second law commutative law. In commutative first number is P and P equivalence Q and Q and P. Second number P or Q equivalence Q or P. Third number associative law. In associative first number is P and Q and R equivalence P and in bracket Q and R equivalence P and Q and R. This is associative law. Remember, there is no trick for law, only remember and understand. Second, in bracket P or Q or R equivalence P or in bracket Q or R equivalence P or Q or R. Next, fourth number distributive law. In first number P and in bracket Q or R equivalence P and Q or P and R. Second number P or in bracket Q and R equivalence P or Q and P or R. This is distributive law. Fifth number complement law. First is P and negation P is equivalence F. That means false. F means false. Second, P or in negation P equivalence T. This is true. T for true. Sixth number De Morgan's law. In the De Morgan's law first is negation in bracket P and Q equivalence negation P or negation Q. Second, negation P or Q equivalence negation P and negation Q. Next, 7 number absorption law. First is P and in bracket P or Q equivalence P. Second, P or in bracket P and Q equivalence P. Next is involution law. First is negation of negation P equivalence P. Second number negation of T equivalence F. Third number negation of F equivalence T. Involution law. Remember. 9 number identity law. In first number is P and T equivalence P. Second number P or T equivalence T. Third number P or F equivalence F. And fourth number P or F equivalence P. 10 number conditional law. First is P conditional Q equivalence negation P or Q equivalence negation Q conditional negation P. And second, P biconditional Q equivalence negation P or Q and negation Q or P equivalence P biconditional Q and Q biconditional P. This is biconditional and this is implication. Then it is conditional law. Next, some equivalence statement. Again see here. First is negation of negation P is P. Second, negation in bracket P and Q is negation P or negation Q. Third number, negation in bracket P or Q equivalence, negation P and negation Q. Only symbol here opposite right here and negation separate right term. Fourth number, negation P conditional Q equivalence P and negation Q. We already known about this negation of conditional on a compound statement. In the negation of biconditional statement, P biconditional Q is P and negation Q or Q and negation P. Next, sixth number, negation of all words, then write some. And again, negation of for every all, then negation of this word is there exist. And last, negation of some is none. Next, in the textbook page number 18, some activity given. There is solution for this activity. Let's see. Prove the following result using truth table. First is P or in bracket Q and R equivalence P or Q and P or R. Here this statement is equivalence to this statement. Prove that here. Second is P and in bracket Q or R equivalence P and Q or P and R. Means this statement is same equivalence to this statement. Prove it. Solution. Let's see. We know, write the P statement, Q statement and R statement. Its truth value P statement in column 4T 4F write down. In Q statement 2T 2F alternate right here. And R statement write down TF TF. And again write down this statement. First is P and Q. This is P and Q. Second, P and R. P and R. Again, Q and R. This Q and R. And again, P or Q. P or Q. Then again, P or R. This P or R. Again, means this statement bracket write down in this column. And next, in the 10th number column, write down this statement P or Q and R. P or Q and R in 10 number column. And 11 number column, write this statement P or Q and P or R. P or Q and P or R. This write down. And 12 number column, write down this statement. Second, P and Q or R. P and Q or R. And 13 number column, write down this statement. And we know that find its truth value. We already learned about this table. Here, see here, 10 number column and 11 number column. Both two columns are same having truth value. Means 10 number and 11 number are identical. Since this statement is logical equivalence. Similarly, column number 12 and 13. These two columns are identical. Since we write or we say this statement is equivalence. In the above truth table, column 10, 11, 12, 13 are identical. Since we write this statement and this statement are true. This is the solution for this statement.